What's the meaning of Briticism? Briticism. Briticism.
Briticism. Briticism. Briticism refers to a word, phrase or expression that is characteristic of British English and may not be understood or commonly used in other varieties of English. It can also refer to a cultural or social habit that is unique to British culture, such as drinking tea in the afternoon. The use of Briticisms may lead to confusion or miscommunication between speakers of different English dialects. In summary, Briticism highlights the distinctive features and nuances of British English and culture that are not commonly found elsewhere.